Alright, so my topic of today is the best AI content writer for 2023, and I have 60% off it in the description below. So make sure you guys go check it out. Now, the AI content writer I'm talking about today is called Frase. I've talked about it before in my previous videos, in my list videos, but today I'm going to show you guys how it works and how I use it. Okay, so once you use the link in the description below and you log in, you'll be able to come to a place like this. So you'll be able to create a new document. And I'm going to show you guys two types of documents you can create with this. Okay, so let's look for a document. Let's just say how to play golf easily as a beginner. So depending on your niche, you might have a different target search query that you're looking for or you're going for, and you can choose what language you want. My language is English, that's what I can speak and that's what I can write. So I'm just going to click on create document. And also, before you go ahead, you can also create a folder of where you want it saved to. So I'm just going to click on create document and it's going to load up. So now this is what it gives you. You're going to see this right here. Frase will process the top 20 Google results for search query, how to play golf easily as a beginner. It's going to search Google pretty much the first two pages for this target query and pull as much information as it can to get the most relevant piece of content that will help you rank. So you click on let's go and this is going to load up. It might take a little bit of time, so you just got to be patient a little bit. And as you can see, it's pulling from different golf sites and it's pulling as much information as it can for this target query. It's doing all this for you, so you don't need to wait and hire somebody to do a lot of keyword research for you. It's going to do it for you. Then you can click on start your outline. Now it's going to give you two options. The first one is select headings from search results or generate heading ideas with AI. I'm going to go with the first one for this one. And now you can pick. So if you know how to write blog posts, you always need your H1 first. So this is your H1. Typically want to target one H1. And then you need a couple H2s. Then you need a H3. And if you want to see more and more, you can just click this off right here, which is this arrow button here, and they can add more H3s. So I can click this, keep going. I just want to add a H4, just add this to H4. That's enough for me. And then you can click on save outline. And then it's going to give you all this. And now you want to click on instructions. And you want to write all instructions with AI typically, especially for those of you that are not that good with coming up with a ton of outlines. If you're good with coming up with a ton of outlines, you can click on skip, but I'm just going to click on write all instructions with AI. So once you click on it, you gotta wait and it's going to prepare all of it for you. So just be patient. Okay. Now once it's done, you want to click on generate draft, and now it's going to pretty much start pulling as much information as it can from all over the internet to prepare your entire blog post for you. And you're gonna see right here when it says thinking, and you're also gonna see the word count over here increase or decrease. So as of right now, it's increasing. Okay, now it's written 2,564 words for you, just like this. Very beautiful. Now you want to click on optimize for SEO, and it's going to give you an SEO score. So you have an SEO score of 87%, which means this article has a great chance of ranking, especially if this is your niche and you already have topical authority on this type of golfing. Then you can click on competitors, so you can see the competitors for this type of content, which is pretty good. Nice. And you can use this as an opportunity for you to build backlinks. Now, if you want to be able to add images to this, just so you can see what it looks like, you can come over here and just choose where you want to add your image to. So I'm just going to click this right here, and then over here like this, you want to click this right here. So you see these three dots, you want to click the image icon. So let's go to a place where we can get free images from. Unsplash is the place I recommend because they have a lot of copyright free images. You always want to use images that you're allowed to use and also commercialize, and Unsplash gives you that opportunity if you give credit, obviously. So I want to go with orientation, landscape, and then nice. I like this one. This one looks very beautiful. So I'm just going to download this, and then over here you just want to click on this icon right here, It's going to give you something like this. Then you click on select files to upload. Then you select what you want and then upload. And nice. Once it's uploaded, you see how it looks. It's pretty good. Now if you want to add links to your content, it's not gonna give you like it's not gonna put the link directly in the content, but it's gonna give you something nice that is also gonna help you rank, because as you know, the search engine algorithms always want you to have places that you link to, external links, to prove credibility. So if you click on this, the plus icon at the very bottom, you're gonna do insert served data and then click on links, and then it's going to insert links into your content feed. Okay, so you can see these are the external links it gives you. If you also want to include stuff like statistics, you can just click on the plus icon and insert served data and then click on statistics, and it's going to just give you stats. And then obviously you can turn this heading right here into a H2 so that it adds more emphasis to the title itself, and then you have a better chance of showing up for anything that deals with beginner golf statistics, things like that. Now I'm going to show you guys how to create another piece of content again using this, and this one we're going to make it fully AI optimized. So I'm going to click on right here and then click on new document, and then for this one, how to fish successfully as a beginner, and then create document, and this is what it gives you. Now as I said before, it's always going to pull from the top 20 Google search results for the topic you're targeting, and then click on let's go. Now once it's done processing from over 18 search results, you just want to click on start your outline. Now the first time we did select headings from search results, but this time we're going to go with generate heading ideas with AI. So I'm going to click on that, and now this is what it's giving us. What is phishing? That's the H2. H3 advantages of phishing, essential equipment. This is pretty nice. For example, it says necessary documents and licenses, phishing license requirement by state. So it makes your content as in-depth as possible, and this is the AI itself doing this. You just want to click on instructions and then write all instructions with AI, and then it's going to prepare your entire content outline for you. Now once it's done creating your content outline, you want to click on generate draft, and then it's going to start writing. And always remember to look on the left hand side, and you're going to see the words increasing or decreasing. Nice. So it's done creating the blog post. As you can see, it gives us close to 4,000 words, and this is pretty nice. Let me see what it gives for the last one that I was looking at before. It says necessary documents and licenses. This is pretty good. So it tells you, for example, in California, both residents and non-residents over the age. So it pulls from as much data and sources as it can give you. And now I want to click on optimize for SEO to see what it gives us. So it's 60, which is okay. We can add more content with this, artificial lures. So save it into editors and light layers. We can always add more and more content. And another thing you can do too, I forgot to show you guys the first time. You see what is phishing? If you just highlight this, you can rewrite it as however you want. You can rewrite it sentence by sentence or paragraph by paragraph. So I just want to do paragraph by paragraph, and then it just rewrites it directly. So it says neutral, short, or creative. I want to go with creative, and then it rewrites it. And then once you click on this copy icon, it writes it for you. It's pretty good. You can also expand or not. So I can click on expand. It says write about this. So you write about whatever you highlighted, and then it's just gonna expand on it for you. Nice. Additionally, from there, and you can just keep going. So if you click on write more, it keeps going. But I think I'm pretty good here. So it's a pretty good tool. You can also optimize your already created content. That works for you. I always try to aim for, any of the time you're trying to create any piece of content, always try to aim for 70 and above, so you can keep expanding and rewriting and adding more and more words. So for example, you have things like bait shops. You can create another heading, bait shops, and keep going until you hit 70. That's the typically recommended score. And you can also view your competitors. So in case you want to view backlinks after you're done creating the article, you'll be able to email whoever is linking to them and then rank your content higher. Now, I'm glad you guys watched this video and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So if you want to try out Frase, you can use the link in the description below, as I said before. And let me just show you guys the pricing real quick. So they have 3 plans. They have the $14.99 plan, the $44.99 plan, and the $114.99 plan. And it depends on the amount of seats you need and also the amount of articles you need to create. The team plan is the highest one. They also have the Pro add-on, which is $35 a month. So in case you have a team or you're a solopreneur and you just need something that shoots out content as much as you want, this is what works. So thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you guys comment down below the articles you're going to use this to create. So catch you guys later.